Well, hi mates, and welcome back to my channel, whatsoever YouTube English video, Shue M channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and for today, I'm going to talk about green screen effect. How to remove our background video by using green screen, and of course, several tips about how to maximize green screen effects. As you can see behind me, I use green screen. I don't use green screen for style, not only for style, but also I use it for some reasons. The first reason is I got difficulty to get a good spot or good view for my background video. So I use green screen. The second one, by using green screen, it's really easy to edit. You can move your body to the left, to the right, or to top, bottom, or upside down. Depends on you. It's easy to edit by using green screen. The third, by using green screen, we are going to make a wonderful Shue video. Our video will be more interesting. Yep, you can change your background video. You can be in Paris, you can be in Liberty State, USA, or maybe you can be in Great Wall, China, or maybe even you can be in the moon, out space. Well, before we move to the tutorial, I would like to give you some tips about how to maximize green screen effect. The first is, do not between you and green screen, don't be too close. Give it some space. So we will minimize the shadow. If there is shadow, the result won't be good. The second is, don't move too much like this, or your hand will cut off or cut. And then the third is, don't use clothing that has same color with the background, green. Do not. Or your body, you will miss your body, only your head. Just like that. So let's go to the tutorial how to remove our background video. Check this out. Okay, now open your KineMaster, please. Well, let's start the tutorial by creating a new project. This one, click this, and then choose your aspect ratio. I always use 16 here on the left side here. And then choose your background image or colors. But I have download Paris Eiffel Tower image. Okay, and then checklist. After that, make the duration longer. After that, click the video, and then as you can see, there are two black sides here. Okay. To make it tidy, click this one. Okay, and then zoom in. Okay, and don't forget to click equal, this mark. So the picture won't be moved. Checklist. Okay, now insert your green screen footage by clicking layer and then media. Find your green screen footage. So I have many footage here. I will choose this one. Okay, so this is the original video. It is 13 seconds duration. How to remove the background? Click the video layer and then find chroma key, this one, click, and then enable. It's automatic. If your green screen color is blue, you may change the color here, key color, and then find your color. Okay, and then there are two options here. The first on top here, this is to strengthen the object. So I usually put in 33%, 33 or 34, and the second option, this one, to remove the background, like this. 64 enough, maybe 63 or 64, around that. And then checklist. You can move the video like this. As you can see, let me zoom in. As you can see, there are unnecessary parts. We can crop this by clicking the video and then find crop. Okay, and then crop the video. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is it. This is the result. Okay, then that's it. Easy, right? Yep, well, I think that's it about how to remove our background video as you request before. Thank you so much for your request. If you have any more requests, I'm glad to know it and I will share to you. And please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and of course share to this video if this video will be useful for you. And the last, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next content. Bye.